I'll be heading to Bangkok in a week, so this is what I'll be packing to hopefully stay stylish without sweating my butt off, because if there's one thing I've learned from my past trips there, it's hard to enjoy your holiday when you're drenched in sweat. Okay, before we get to the packing, some of these items were given to me. Affiliate links and discount codes are in the description below, and stick around to see how the outfits come together. Okay, starting with the shirts. This Miles Davis inspired chambray shirt from Kamakura. Why this shirt in particular is because the band collar is much more comfortable than regular button-down collars. The chambray also breathes relatively well in Singapore's humid weather, so I'd imagine this would work out just fine in Bangkok's slightly less humid weather. It isn't too precious, which is good because I have a tendency to spill sauce on myself whenever I eat spicy Thai food. Chest pockets here are great for storing transport cards, hotel cards, loose change, those sort of small items. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but the indigo dye has been fading ever so slowly but surely. Definitely looking forward to fade these even further. Okay, next, this linen shirt from Collab. Got it from their sample sale a few years back. Linen's always a safe bet for humid weather. Likewise for the band collar. I'll probably wear this when I'm going to nicer restaurants. And lastly, this British Desert DPM shirt. It's a cotton poly blend which I know gets a bad rap, and honestly, it's indeed noticeably warmer. But the nice thing is that it's hard wearing, dries quickly, and I don't have to baby it. I like how even though this is military surplus, it kind of looks like a Hawaiian shirt, which, if you think about it, is like a camo trying to hide the fact that it's a camo. Large pockets here are super practical for storing my phone, wallet, and passport, so I'll be wearing this to the airport, and these two will go into my organizers from Maverick. Pretty useful thing to have for someone like me who doesn't care about the order I put my stuff in and just wants to chuck everything into my bag. Speaking of which, this is the Hobo travel bag from Blue de Chauve. Made in France using thick slabs of veg tan leather. I'm sure they'll age real nice. Honestly, it's already a little heavy by itself, but that's just the nature of leather bags. Or maybe I just need to work on my forearms. Probably both. It's got a 30-liter capacity, perfect for short to medium trips, yet small enough to slide into an overhead cabin. In terms of pockets, there are two on each side, one on the front, and one zip pocket inside. Okay, moving on to the bottoms. Belts are a hassle, so anything with side adjusters makes sense. Something like these pleated shorts are my go-to for that casual but still sartorial look. This white pair is from Diplomat, a Thai menswear brand, and what can I say? It fits the holiday vibe. I'll also be bringing this blue pair. They are basically my beater shorts. Got them secondhand and I've since worn them to death, as you can tell by all the fading and puckering. For evenings in nicer restaurants, I'll be wearing these tobacco Irish linen trousers from Proper Cloth, because if I'm wearing pants in Bangkok, they'd better be airy like these. Now, the shoes. There's only one pair in my wardrobe that'll go with everything here, and that's the Fonte suede sandals from Giulietta, which according to my Google sheet where I track how often I wear my clothes, are by far my most worn pair of shoes. They are easy to slip on and off when going through security, plus I don't have to pack any socks. For accessories, I'll be wearing my Seiko watch fitted with a custom leather strap. Reason being, I find leather straps more comfortable than steel or rubber. Otherwise, it's a pretty basic beater watch. Quartz movement, sapphire crystal, and most importantly, it's cheap, so if it ever gets stolen, I won't lose sleep over it. I'll also be out in the sun for hours, so these shades from Shinzo Tamura are essential. They've got a flattering shape, the build quality is lightweight yet sturdy, and the polarized tail-X lens helps to cut off glare without distorting color. Definitely a stylish and functional piece to have. And for extra relief under the sun, a boonie hat and a portable fan, and the final piece of the puzzle, these boxer briefs from Textile. I don't know about you, but my butt sweats buckets, and the quick drying nylon on these works like magic. Not to mention the pouch area is made from mulberry silk. Truly, some of the nicest pairs of underwears I've worn. Although I must say, they aren't very durable. The fusing has come apart on my older pair, and textile no longer makes them in my size, so if anyone knows any alternatives, do drop them in the comments below. For sleepwear, every Singaporean guy can attest to the comfort of these army singlet and shorts, but I'll also be bringing these nylon fatigue shorts from Snow Peak. Honestly, they are expensive for what they are, and I only got them because of the branding, so might as well use them and get my money's worth. And of course, chargers for my phone and my toiletries all go into this toiletry bag, also from Maverick. And lastly, this Muji canvas tote for my daily carry. I know most people prefer sling bags for travel, but in humid weather, I hate how it weighs down on my shoulders and restricts air circulation. Personally, I find tote bags more comfortable for all day walking around the city. Okay, that's pretty much it. Let's head into the future and check out the outfits. So yeah, those are the fits. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, stay satu.